So I guess I was just outdated in my last few videos when I tell you guys to buy cryptocurrency on Huobi itself. Well, I guess I was right again that SC Malaysia has actually came for Huobi Malaysia's ass. So Huobi Global in Malaysia is actually still doing fine. I've seen a lot of P2P traders still on there very actively. We're still able to do P2P trading as a Malaysian in Malaysia. We're able to buy, sell, trade cryptocurrencies, use their ecosystems and features within their app English. But I came across this article online and the SC Malaysia has ordered Huobi to halt all of its operations in 22nd of May in 2023. According to the Star. Now Huobi is still just working fine on my phone. None of the features have been restricted, unlike Binance in the past where they restricted quite a few operations or features in certain countries. The most important thing is that the P2P trading still works in Malaysia. Lots of Malaysians are still doing P2P trading really actively. Huge amount of money as well, which I cannot afford to be doing. Sometimes I don't even meet their minimum requirements. And most important thing is that you can still cash out your USDTs with no problem. So the best bet of not letting your money being stuck in a crypto exchange and collapse with it is to just follow the SC Malaysia's advice, and that is to go through what are the crypto exchanges that have been approved by the SC Malaysia in Malaysia itself. So that way you just stay on the government's safe side, you be the little good boy and receive your Santa present at the end of every single year. I don't know what kind of analogy is that, but I just came up with that just really randomly. Now you can verify which are the crypto exchanges that have been approved by the SC Malaysia with this link, and I'll leave it the first link in the description box below so that you guys can go ahead and check it out yourself. Now there are not a lot of crypto exchanges that have been approved by SC Malaysia, but there are a handful and it should be good enough if you want to stay on the safe side. So the first crypto exchange that have been approved by SC Malaysia is actually Hata Digital. And I almost thought that I was wrong, but it was indeed a new platform. So last 2 years when I was making videos like this about the Binance regulations or the breakdown in Malaysia or the crackdown in Malaysia, there was only 4 platforms that were approved. Right now, Hata Digital is actually the latest, most recent crypto exchange that have been approved by the SC Malaysia. So the website overall looks really good, and on the top right, there is actually a specific tab for us Malaysians. And then next to it, it just says coming soon with 1.3k people on the wait list. I did not join the waitlist, but this is a good sign for us Malaysians. By the looks of it, its operations has not started in Malaysia just yet. But I'm really optimistic. I'm really excited to see what this platform can bring us in the future. But of course, I went to do some digging about this platform. As usual, I am a detective. I went to Crunchbase to have a look at their entire company profile. I've seen all of their C-level executives. I've seen who's working there, and I've seen their plans. All of that kind of stuff. Now, it's definitely not because I am a stalker in real life. Now, it turns out that Hata Digital is only founded in the year 2023, which is just this year, and it's still in its pre-seed stage with only 11 to 50 employees, surprisingly. Very, very new company right here. I absolutely did not connect every single one of their C-level executives on LinkedIn for some business opportunities, but so far I've not seen any kind of YouTube reviews or any kind of reviews on Reddit as well about this platform. So what I can tell you is that it is completely new, fresh, white piece of paper. Nobody has ever used it yet. Nobody has any kind of opinions on the platform just yet. But all in all, I am very excited for this platform. I can't wait to see what this platform has to offer for us Malaysians, and hopefully it's not just another option that does the same things with a different kind of prices or different kind of fee structures. Now, not only that, it just shows that Malaysians are actually open to innovations like this. But sometimes it's just that the Malaysian government wants a piece of the pie when it comes to the business's profitability. FBI, open up! And for legal purposes, that was completely a joke. The second platform that is approved by SC Malaysia is Luno Malaysia. So this is the platform that I've been using since the start, and this is the platform that I've done multiple reviews on my YouTube channel since the start of this YouTube channel. So if you guys are still interested in watching videos like this, go ahead and click top right, or I'll leave a link in the description box below. Go ahead and support young Denis. Young Denis just looks so weird. However though, for Luno, there is only a handful of altcoins that you can buy: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, XRP, and Bitcoin Cash. I'm not even sure why Bitcoin Cash is still on the list. Oh, I believe Solana is recently on Luno as well. But that is the downside for Luno. It is approved by SC Malaysia, but you can only buy a handful of altcoins. So if you want to use the referral code, if feel free to do so. If you don't want to, you want to use your friends, feel free to do so as well. No pressure. You better use my code, little boy. Quickly moving on to MX Global. That is the third platform that have been approved by the SC Malaysia. And I've just started signing up for an MX Global account. The sign up process is pretty quick and simple. Fill up your information, verify your email, get it linked up with a Google Authenticator like I'm doing right now on the screen right here. So any kind of authenticator will do. What I'm using is the Google Authenticator because that's what I use for all of my crypto exchange verification process. And then finally, you just go ahead and verify your phone number and voila, you're able to use the exchange in a short amount of time. It took me about 10 minutes just to complete the entire registration process. Some of you may even do it faster, but it's not a competition. So yeah, let's just move on. Also, the altcoins that are available for purchase on the platform is also the same altcoins that are available on Luno. Another thing is that there is no P2P trading, which sucks. So then it means naturally there will be a higher fees and you will be receiving much less Bitcoin if you're transferring in and out of the platform. So moving on to Sinegy Dax Sendirian Berhad. This next platform is a weird ass platform because they don't have a mobile app on the App Store. But going back to 2017 and 2019, that is the stage where they got an approval from SC Malaysia to run its operations for us Malaysians. However, at that stage, they've only gotten a partial approval by the SC Malaysia, but they later on got a full approval by SC Malaysia in the year of 2020. Now, despite being probably one of the oldest and most matured crypto exchanges in Malaysia that have been approved by SC Malaysia, I am not sure why they don't feel the need to develop a mobile app and leave it up on the App Store in this day and age, because most of us, like you and I right now, we crave for convenience even when it comes to buying and selling Bitcoin. This is actually one way to not appear as convenient or as user-friendly for potential crypto users or traders like you and I. Now, with that being said, I did not sign up for this account because it is very troublesome. I can't just do it from my phone itself. Well, maybe I'll do it the next time when I'm doing a full-on in-depth review video amongst all of these crypto exchanges. Lastly, Tokenize Malaysia. So this is actually one of the platforms that I see on and off, but nothing significant. Now, the platform seems pretty decent, just like Luno and MX Global. So I tried to sign up for an account for Tokenize Malaysia. Everything was going well until the step where they tried to get me go through the KYC verification, and then I just stopped. Now, not because I don't want to give them my data, because I am very broke. I have no valuable items. Nobody would find any reason to come after me, although I wish they would. But I just don't see a need to sign up for so many other crypto exchanges for now, but because it's not like I have a lot of money to spread around multiple cryptocurrency exchanges. Like, what am I, Andrew Tate? The heck? No, I'm not that rich. So of course, you probably see that coming. This is why I don't like this platform. It's because it requires us to go through a KYC verification. Very troublesome, and some people would just like to keep themselves at a low profile. So this would not be a good option. Now, based on my own views and opinions, unfortunately, I don't think we're able to escape from the KYC verification process across all of these crypto exchanges, because it just seems like all of these exchanges that have been approved by SC Malaysia have the same patterns. Same amount of altcoins available for you to buy, no P2P trading, and you have to go through the KYC process. So it's very likely that Hata Digital would have a limited amount of altcoins. Hopefully not, but for the KYC verification, I don't think that is something that we are able to escape from. It's probably going to be mandatory for us to use Hata Digital. So, ladies and gentlemen, here are 5 crypto exchanges that you can use if you want to be on the safe side in Malaysia trading cryptocurrency on exchanges. Now, if you guys are interested, I will make an in-depth review video of all 5 of these crypto exchanges, compare them side by side, and judge them based on the UI, UX, the fees, and the ecosystem that they have in the next video, in the next few videos. It's really up to you guys. Just leave it in the comment section down below if you guys are keen to watch a video like that. I hope this video has been helpful for you guys, and I hope that this has been an enjoyable video, and hopefully you guys stayed till the end. And with that being said, I hope you guys stay safe, invest safe. I'll see you guys in the next video.
Trying to work towards these blessings, but the devil keep interfering. Everybody